master's in microbiology. At present, I am working in a private sector as senior research associate from past 10 years. I have attended a one-day online course on Immunoinformatics conducted by BDG Life Sciences on December 28, 2019. Coming to the workshop, it was very good. In span of 2 hours, I was able to recollect the concepts in immunology, their tools, their databases involved in immunoinformatics. Working in an R&D, getting updated with the technologies is very essential for the researchers. So for this, the very good platform is BTG Life Science, and I strongly recommend not only for the researchers but also for students, lecturers, industrialists to get involved with this workshop and get updated. And I thanks for BDG Life Science for conducting this short online courses. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ramdata Ghosh. I've just completed my graduation from Utkal University in Biotechnology Honours, and I've just completed my research project regarding sickle cell anemia, and I've just submitted to NCBI for my publication. And at present, I've got offers from various British public universities for my MS in biotechnology. And I have a plan. I wish to pursue my PhD from there only, and will and will contribute my knowledge in the field of cancer research. So as it's a research field, it's important. We have knowledge regarding immunology and with a fusion in computer science. So immunoinformatics is actually my favorable course. I was looking for an online session. So a few days back, I came across the notification that Biodiscovery Group is going to conduct an online session, 2-hour online session regarding immunoinformatics and computational immunology. I inquired over there in their WhatsApp number, and they gave me a prompt response and provided me further details regarding the session. I registered for the course, and yesterday, that is on 20th December, my session on immunoinformatics was conducted by my trainer Prashant sir from 9:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. He was very friendly, and the session was conducted through chat. And I think it's a good technique because video session, the information provided by the video session, tend to be forgot by us because we people tend to forget maximum things. And I'm very grateful to him for his in-depth information that he provides us, and the course is really very good quality. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ruchi Garg. I'm pursuing B Pharmacy from Gwalior. On 20th December, I attended 2 hours online course on immunoinformatics conducted by BDG Life Sciences. Thank you so much BDG Life Sciences for conducting such a valuable course. This course was really insightful and really informative for me. I got to know many deep information on this. There were links provided, and this course was done through chat so that we can use it for future reference. Thank you so much for such a helpful session. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dibulmans Imyong, and I've just submitted my PhD thesis in the Department of Botany, Guwahati University, Assam, and I've just attended your 2-hour course on CRISPR, and it has given me some basic knowledge about this new technology, and I believe I think I know a little bit about it now, and I hope to learn more from you from your upcoming workshops. So I'm looking forward to attending one of your upcoming workshops on CRISPR, and I hope I will be able to learn a lot more from this so that I can use it in my research. So I would love to work on CRISPR Cas9 technology. Thank you.